Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Discover with JC, and today I'm going to take you guys to the UMUAHIA UZUAKOLI-OHAFIA road, 67 kilometer road that the able governor of Abia State, His Excellency Governor Alex Oti, is building. He's reconstructing the road that has been in bad shape for more than a decade. So please watch this video up to the end as I take you to the Uzuakoli area of this road. Maybe in the next video I'm going to take you to Ohafia, but this particular video I'm taking you to Uzuakoli so that you see what is going on, how work is going on there, or what has been done so far. If this is the first time you are tuning into my channel, please, after watching this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge and you're not going to be charged for subscribing. Also, click the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified that I have dropped a video and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. If you have subscribed, a very big thank you. I really appreciate. Please watch the video up to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. So currently I'm in UMUAHIA and I'm heading, to Uzuakoli. This is inside UMUAHIA. This is Uzuakoli Road, UMUAHIA. And this road is going to lead you to our market, Ubani Market. From Ubani Market, the distance is no longer far. Uzuakoli shares a common boundary with UMUAHIA. So keep watching the video and tell me what you think in the comment section. So we are very close to Ubani Market. Now you can see the gutter by the side. You will see that there have been construction of gutter drainage beside the road, okay? Because this is the UMUAHIA Uzakoli Express. Okay, so this road is going to take you straight to Uzuakoli from UMUAHIA. So you see that the gutters, they have already constructed the gutters. Serious work is going to be done here, and the governor wants this work to be done on time. He wants this work to be done on time. So 3 contractors are actually going to handle this work. So you can imagine 3 contractors. So it's going to make the delivering of this project to be fast. You can see heavy duty machines parked along the road. These are machines that is being used to do a lot of construction here. You can see the drainage, you can see the gutter. This gutter stretches down to Uzakoli, down even further. Okay. So the three contractors or the three companies that are in charge of the construction of this road, they are Kremborg, Ferrotex, and CCECC. Okay, they are to undertake the job simultaneously. Okay. So if you look at this road, you notice that the road has been expanded with caterpillar grading the road. I'm still going to show you where this old tar, was peeled off from the road. So keep watching. So you can see the machines that are doing the job. They are parked beside the road. So just keep watching as I'm going to show you how they have expanded this road using those machines so that this road will be wide, and when they are going to asphalt it after this road is done, it's going to be a very sweet, nice road. Now people who will be passing along this road wouldn't go through the stress again of dodging one pothole from one pothole to the other. No, you just drive serere wirere and you are going to where you are going to. Now, if you're going to drive from Uzakoli to UMUAHIA, it's not going to be far at all, even though it's not far, but to be shorter now. And if you're going from UMUAHIA to UMUAHIA, just sharp, you don't reach where you go, you get. So these are the old dilapidated asphalt on the road that was peeled off. You can see how it is. Yeah, they removed it so that they are going to do this road and then lay fresh and new asphalt. Okay, so that the road will be motorable for Ndi Abia and other people that will be commuting or passing through this road in Abia State. I tell you, if this road is done, once this project is completed, you see that this place will be so beautiful and people can be able to drive, and even all those people that are Abia indigenes outside Abia State that are scared of visiting their villages. After this road is done, they are going to be able to visit their villages and have fun and also spend in the state, so that the economy of the state, you understand, will be solidifying. Watago. Thank you for watching the video, but please keep watching the video as I have more things to show you ahead.